dry snack review. I've been wanting to do this forever, but there's a lot going on. And one of my viewers, I have to put their name when I look for it, but suggested these Girl Scout cookie Nestle Crunch. This one is caramel and coconut caramel, if you like, but I have to give them a shot. Hold on. Oh, they come in 2 pieces. They're like half a bite size pieces. Oh, that's pretty. It's got a little chocolate decorations on it. Garnishes. Oh, coconut, that's what it tastes. It's, yeah, it is what it is advertised. It's cookie crunch. Good chocolate, very well done. Yeah, I've always liked the Nestle Crunches, but this is good. It's got the right mix of crunch and chocolate. They're crunchy, so I'm not going to shove the whole thing in my mouth, tear my mouth up. Now, very good. I can see these coming back. I know the advertisement is for a limited time only, because the manufacturers, Nestle, is trying to see if if what they think is a winner is going to really suck. So they don't want to commit like a whole production line to making these, or a production time frame. So they just make a trial batch. They got test markets. I don't know if we're in a test market or not. Apparently not, because I've seen the commercials for them in different places. But I think these will be a permanent fixture. I don't know if the Girl Scouts are going to get proceeds or not. I mean, they probably paid them some kind of licensing fee to market their name, or maybe, I don't know. But they're good. Oh, coffee. That's just right. So I do recommend the coconut ones. And as a bonus, I got peanut butter cream. A little more coffee. Yeah, it is a little rich though. Ooh. Not too bad. It's sweeter than my coffee. I usually like 2 things of equal in my coffee, and that's just about right for me. So it's definitely sweeter than that. Okay, peanut butter something or other. Peanut butter cream. It's a little melty. These are kind of like the peanut butter bars that Little Debbie make, Little Debbie's, or Walmart makes, but the peanut butter is a little more pronounced in these, and it's a little creamier, so It's kind of like a deluxe peanut butter bar. Melty. They're good though. Yeah, I would highly recommend either one of these. They're good. Second one.
And strawberry bunny.
They are dry. Yeah, if I didn't have the coffee to wash it down with, woo. Yeah, it'd be a little hard to choke down. Whew. Satisfying. Go, I'll get you some. They're good. For a limited time only, until they decide to make some more. You know, and that's good marketing. It's all about, oh, I better get some. It's kind of like the ammo. The ammo shortage. So, if somebody wants to sell something, what they do now, given this climate, is tell people it's not going to be around for much longer, so you better go out and stock up. Seems to work for the ammo, right? I bet they'll be back. So if you don't get some this time, they'll be back. Just a matter of time. Unless you gotta have some, and they're good, but they're not like waiting in line for an iPhone good. They're just good. All right, stay safe out there. See you later.